Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a console or PC, a Microsoft account, and a payment method. Once done, open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and choose Game Pass. This starts the purchase flow. Make sure to pick the plan you need: console, PC, or Game Pass Ultimate, because each grants different access and cloud benefits. After completing the payment, your account becomes eligible for downloads and cloud play, so you can move straight into installing titles. Next, link and verify your Microsoft account across devices so your subscription syncs. On console, sign in under Profiles. On PC, install and sign into the Xbox app. If you have a code, redeem it in account settings to activate the subscription immediately. Then browse the Game Pass library, add titles to your queue, and choose Install Locations. This speeds up play. Make sure to enable cloud saves and prioritize downloads for the games you want to play first. Finally, begin downloading selected games and set the default install drive to avoid running out of space. Once downloaded, launch a game to verify performance and let cloud saves sync your progress. If you use Game Pass Ultimate, test cloud streaming to confirm access. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so future patches install quietly. If you encounter issues, sign-in errors, or a subscription not showing, check billing details, sign out and back in. Clear app cache and restart your device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.